Hello everybody. So we're going to be doing a medical meditation today, and during this I want you to envision you're out on a lake, on the water, laying back on a float with the sun beating down on your face and the water splashing above your feet. Okay? So that's what we're going to envision today. I don't want you focused on anything but being on that float, okay? All right. And if you would like to hold a squeeze ball, that would be good too, okay? I'm going to go ahead and take my glove off for this. Just got done with doing a throat exam. Okay. All right. So relax. You can be sitting, you can be laying back on your bed, you can do anything, just as long as you envision lying on a float, okay? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and begin, okay? Close your eyes, and I'm gonna count to 10, and during those 10 seconds, you're gonna breathe in for 10, and you're gonna breathe out for 10, and then you're gonna sit there with your eyes closed, feeling the water on your feet, and that's going to be for 5 seconds, and then we're going to repeat that 5 times, okay? All right, so get comfortable, get in a quiet spot, and we're going to begin, okay? Close your eyes and breathe in really, really deep from your stomach. Here we go. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and out through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the difficulty here is really making sure that that exhale lasts for the full 10 seconds. It'll strengthen your lungs, it'll strengthen your upper stomach, and it'll strengthen your core. So let's try that again, okay? Breathe in through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And out through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's do it again. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And out for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's go. Breathe back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax your shoulders. 9, 10. And out through your mouth for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, one more time. Breathe in through your stomach and your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And out for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And rest for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you did so great with that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is after we breathe in, we're going to hold it for 5. Okay? And we're only going to do this 2 times. Okay? So here we go. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep breathing. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and do a big breath out through your mouth. Okay, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out for 10. Okay. Now, you should be feeling a little bit more relaxed, and some people get the opposite effect when they try to meditate. They get more irritable and they feel like they're bored. But honestly, with meditation, once you get the hang of it and you really let your mind go to a peaceful state, you're not going to get irritable by the practices. So those were some good breathing exercises. Now what I want you guys to do is I want you to hunch your shoulders over like this and put your arms out for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I want you to press your shoulder blades back towards each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now I want everyone to find something that they can squeeze like a compress or something, and I want to squeeze for 10, okay? This seems small, but it helps your motor skills a lot more than you think, and it keeps your joints healthy, okay? We're gonna squeeze it for 10, all right? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're gonna release for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then release for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's do the other hand. Squeeze for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And do it once with your shoulders back. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, perfect. Now, if you just want to kind of play around with that compress, that's nice too. You know, whatever gets your joints and your fingers moving. So this is more of an active meditation here. Okay? You can roll it, you can squeeze it, you can fold it, whatever. Okay? And now after that, we've got our joints moving, we've got our system relaxed. Now what I want us to do is to picture a different scene, okay? Let's picture being in let's actually picture floating on a white fluffy cloud. The sky is bright blue, the sun is shining, and there are tons of white fluffy clouds all in the sky. We're going to pretend that the clouds are not hollow, and we are just lying on the top of the cloud, and we're so relaxed on that cloud that we fall asleep, okay? So now your head is resting on that cloud. You've never been this peaceful or comfortable before, and you fall into a